Hi guys, welcome back to today's tutorial video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to change theme at Chrome browser. So first of all, we should click on the three dot menu, then we should scroll down, click on the setting and click on the appearance. Alright, so we can see here theme. Just hit on the reset to default, or we can customize it. To customize, just click on the theme and we will see an interface like this one. Now we can turn on dark, light, or any color we like. Also we can set as device color. So that's the videos for today. If you like my videos, do a thumbs up and stay tuned with One Miss School. Bye bye.